How to mirror cast iPhone screen to Windows PC. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this guide, I'll show you how can you mirror or cast iPhone screen to Windows PC. To do it, so you'll need to install the application. So go to this link that is MirrorTo and then click on the first link that appears. After which it's going to take you to this page, so click on free download for Windows. Once it is downloaded, once you've tapped on it, you want to click on continue, and then what next you want to do is open up the file location and then run the installations. So for that, you want to double click onto it and click on the yes button. Once you're done, click on the install button, and after you're done installing it, so you'll be able to see some sort of a page where you have to go and make sure to select the iOS device since you're mirroring the screen. After you've actually enabled that permission, what next you need to do is you want to open up your iPhone. So right on this page, what next you want to do is you want to make sure to open up your iPhone and then swipe down and go ahead and click on screen mirror or cast options. After you've actually done it or made it so, you want to make sure to locate the particular device. So click on it, and then you want to make sure to click on the top button, or you want to make sure to click on the toggle button, and you'll be able to see some sort of permission. So if you're sure about it, enable it. And with that being said, you'll have successfully mirror or cast iPhone screen to Windows PC. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.